Good morning, guys. So we're gonna open this morning with a massive gap. Here's the prior range high from yesterday, and we're gonna open over here. That's a huge gap. Uh, we'll see um if we're gonna do gap and go. Gap and go means that we start doing some business around here, and then we just take off and keep on going high, or we might go down to close it. There was a lot of volume overnight. So you can see it right here. You can see how all the VWAP levels are extremely spread out. Extremely spread out. So which is good, means there's a lot of volume and a lot of chances to make money today. I like it. That's very good. Let me show you over here in the profile. In the profile, you can see that was yesterday, and we open over here. We got this ginormous gap. What they call a gap. Gap and go is, we make some action somewhere around here, and then we shoot up and we keep going up, or we come down to close it. I think we're gonna close it. But it's my first instinct always to think they're gonna close it, because the theory goes that the people who trade at night don't know what they're doing. I don't know if that's true or not. I'm pretty sure they're making money anyway. So the idea that they don't know what they're doing, so you want to go against them. So early during the day, you just trade against it. You go down. That's the main theory. The overnight traders don't know what they're doing. So I heard. That's what I heard. That's why I'm usually inclined more to taking a short because of it when there's a gap. But there is such a thing as a gap and go. You can see it's not working out right now, the gap and go. A good level to bounce and then continue up could be around here. So you have all this area, and we're still having this area here is a good place to take a bounce and take off. Because we haven't closed the gap, and that could be the part where we go. But uh, we have the middle of the VWAP. Here's what I'm seeing right now. We got the middle of the VWAP, prior range high, prior range high, initial balance high. We got this level also pretty close to it. I think we're gonna close that gap. I don't know what's here. I wish there was a level or something. I don't have anything there. I have this. Maybe this little area here. 1, 2, 3. There might be something here. Put that little zone here. It seems to be making sense. Oh, all right. Well, if we get the divergence, I mean the gap and go, we do not have a divergence yet, but the trend is up. You always gotta be careful with that. That's why I don't trade the first 10 minutes. I always wait a little bit, get some trade idea, uh, get some action going, then get a trade idea, which I am right now. I don't have anything over here. No levels, nothing. I got this all level. Let me add a few more just in case. This would be an amazing spot right here. This one right here would be an amazing spot. Possibly here. Here. And then there's another spot would be here. In here. Just two. Other than that, I don't have anything else. Oh, this one right here. But that's if we go up. I haven't checked if there's any news. Hold on. I don't think there was that. I don't have anything. Nothing written down. I've been waiting for this guy to answer me whether I can show those damn indicators. Those indicators, they're pretty good. If you see them, you'll be like, damn, those are really good indicators. He hasn't answered me. This is why I don't trade first thing in the morning. I always wait. Wait. We might be getting the gap and go, by the way. You have a high low here. Yeah, we're definitely gonna do. At least we might retest this area here. Maybe come over here and then shut down. But I don't want to take a trade like a maniac. Let me put this line first over here. Hey guys, I mean, like, if you guys disagree with my analysis, it's more than welcome. I appreciate that. I mean, if you think I'm making a mistake, I should look at something else. Uh, you know, maybe take a look at another indicators. I'm, I'm more than welcome for suggestions. I don't care. So, so open for discussion. That's okay. I'm more than happy to open up for discussion. Anything, guys. Just hit me up. It's a hard situation. We're not, you know. Very hard situation right here because we have a high low. We do have a lower high. And I want to say I have this, but not really. It's a little bit too shallow. I want to see a little bit more steep. We did make a cradle, but there's a high low here. Today's Friday, so on Fridays you gotta be extremely careful. Fridays crazy. I remember back in the days, probably about 8 years ago, somewhere around there. They used to say that trading on Friday was ludicrous, was crazy. So here I am. What I like about the NQ is that the NQ shines when it's crazy out there. The more volume, the more erratic, the better it is. I can't make a decision whether we're gonna go up or not. For a second there, I thought we might go up, but now I'm having my doubts. And if you don't know, if you don't have an idea where your market's gonna go, don't trade. Don't trade. Don't trade. I'm just right now. I'm just drawing lines because I don't know what else to do. Drawing lines, see if it's something will pop. See these lines pay out right here, or maybe. Sure, sure make more sense than a long because you have all this level, and we have the gap to close. It bounced right to the line I drew. That's why I draw the lines. I draw the lines because I don't know what's going on, and the more lines I draw, the better it is. I can get a better picture of the market, which I started to see, starting to look like we're gonna go up now. You look at this. I'm sorry. This means down. This means down. This is gearing up for sure. What happened is it coming here, but not enough power. It gets to here, not enough power to cross it. Not enough power to cross it here. Now seem to be breaking over. No, we're still getting bounced back down. See, so Something like this, if you see it, here's the pinch. You got a downtrend. I mean, a breakdown, a breakout to the downside. But it could happen anyway. It could happen here. It could happen here. It doesn't necessarily be at the pinch. See? I mean, like, I would never would have got that if I didn't draw it. So, hopefully you guys are seeing it. No, never would have got that if I didn't draw it from the beginning. You gotta draw your lines. Draw your lines. Okay. We can take this one. Draw your lines, and the picture will show by itself. Now you gotta be careful because you broke here. You broke here. Now you might go out the other way around. So you might do this, and it broke, and then go out the other way. So that's where people get caught. Oh no, we're gonna go down, go down. The stop over here, and all of a sudden it goes out the other way. To make this more valid, I would have waited for something like this, bounce off here, and then take it down. As long as the indicators were pointing down. That's something I'm not seeing right now. I mean, they are, but we're having a little step over here. But this part over here, let me take that out. This level over here, I think it looks like it's about the same level. I almost took it out though. Yes, I'm still waiting. We're close to the pin. Oh. That's a good one. Might need more than that. Everything's pointing down, but this looks kind of iffy. Looks kind of iffy. Because what I'm seeing here is it looks like we're doing a divergence. It's a weak one, but it is there. Ooh, look at this reaction. Now we're going down. That's looking good. Sounds looking interesting. I'm gonna take it. I'll take that. I'll take that one. Put my stop right here. Take that one. It's taking a little bit too long for me. This area here is it's interesting because we got a lot of levels here. The prior level, the old levels. That's why I got that zone here. But they're still valid, so it doesn't come back too much. Again, this is the NQ. So I move my that doesn't mean I think it's gonna go here, but this shit can go crazy real fast. See? It'll go crazy on you and blow through all this in 2 seconds. And then you'll be like, damn, I wish I moved my target a little bit lower. So I just move it. I don't wait. As you can see how a little bit of patience, I wish I had that yesterday. I mean, I had it in the morning, and then I blew it in, what was it? 11 o'clock in the morning when I knew I should have stopped. I decided to take extra trade, and then I tilted and blew all the money, and then I came back solid and make some really good trades and make the money back. But Jesus, I didn't have to. Actually, by the time I was done yesterday, I was literally mentally exhausted. I went for a walk. I just couldn't recover. I went for a walk. I came back and I was like, damn, I want to go to sleep so bad, but I can't sleep during the day. Um and I won't be able to sleep at night. So I was fighting not to fall asleep, but I was mentally exhausted. So okay, so we're gonna close this gap coming up soon. I mean, that's what I think we're gonna close in. I'm not 100% sure. So let me do a recap real quick. You know, all I had in the morning was these 2 points, and I put them in there, and I said that was weak. But then as we started going, oh, we closed the gap. Gap is closed. God damn it, damn it. All right, so um, oh, wow. See what I mean? When the NQ decides to go, it's gonna go. Okay, NQ takes no prisoners. All the people that thought we were gonna go up, they got crushed. They definitely got crushed. It's a good spot to take a bounce. If if these people try to take a bounce here, if I was gonna take a bounce, I would take it here and probably bring it to here, and that's it. But I don't do bounce anymore. Back when I first started, I used to look for the bounce, not anymore. I rather just wait for and technical analysis, if I can call it that, if I can call it technical analysis. I'm not an expert. I'm good, but I don't know if I call myself an expert. Um, if somebody commented yesterday, somebody say hi or something like that. I gotta be honest. I don't know how to operate that thing. It is there, but it's to the far side to not distract me for this. So if you guys comment something, and just know I'm not ignoring you. It's just I'm more focused on this chart more than anything. This chart right here, and so I don't take my eyes off of it very often. I said now I'm looking, I don't see anything. But anyway, so to go back to this, first thing in the morning, all the wealth was here, so I did this, and I said this was weak, and then we came down to here, and was weak, and then later on, that's when I noticed this. The holy crap, we making a pinch. I also tried doing this, try putting this line here, but once I noticed that this pinch, this no longer valid, and once I saw that, I said, "Ooh, this means this pattern means down." But you can't take everything. So if you would have taken it here, then you would have been stuck. You would have lost some money. Then if you would have taken it here again, maybe it would have worked out. But I took it here. I took it here. Once I saw that candle at entry point, I took it. Like right here, it's looking really good. Go down. I didn't take it. I don't know. That was a good one. Good point. Maybe a retake and we might come down here. And you gotta be careful. Don't give your money back. And it's Friday. Extra careful. Gotta be extra. We got overnight POC, value area high, open range high, low, middle. We got everything here. And we got the PP level here. Pretty close to the second deviation of the VWAP. Very interesting. The VWAP is right at the previous POC. and the overnight low. A lot of numbers down there, so we might be good for another short. But the indicators, I'm not saying take it. See, that's why we value the indicators. Gotta value the indicator. That is a really good spot to take a short. By the way, really good one. Everything's pointing down. Might be worth a risk. I'm gonna take it because it's worth it. I'm up here. This is the meltdown. This is a good spot also right here. Second deviation. There's a lot of bouncing going on there. So the price might bounce there. So there seems to be a lot of stop somewhere around here. This is, if I was going to take this trade, this is where I would put the stop. I'm guessing there's a lot of stop there. If it decides to take this out, it definitely is going to melt. It might come back up and retest this area here. I might be a little bit early. Might be a little bit early. I don't see a divergence. This is a good spot for bounce and change of direction. There was no divergence, so I really care much for it. This is a good spot to take a short too, but you gotta be careful because you got this the VWAP, and it can come up to here and then come back down. I think we're gonna make it here just because I think there's a lot of money down here, a lot of liquidity, and like I say, overnight POC value area high, open range, got the P level right here in the open range. Second deviation, previous POC, and the overnight low is right here too. But we do have a lot of points, a lot of places where we can be taking a lot of places to take good trades, or at least focus on. Looking good. Everything's pointing down. It's good to take it down. To cross somewhere around here. I mean, I'm not 100% sure. It's not like I see where people put the stops, their stops. But if I was going to take a guess, it should be around here. The people holding right there. Nice. Take the first one. Break even just in case. You think we can go down a little bit more? A lot of hesitation in that area. I don't like it. Down a little bit more. I'll take one more, you'll see. But this is like I said, this was a really good area to take a profit at. All right, there you go. So it's all about patience, patience, reading. Just look at the look at the your indicators, look at your levels, look what you got, see where the probability is gonna be, where do you see the money at, and make a decision. That's all you need to do. Gotta be careful though. You know, be careful where it can bounce back. This is a good area for bouncing, like I said. You'll go back down. Yeah, here we go. Boom, like I said, right here. Target hit. Not my target, somebody else's target. I don't even know if anybody's watching this. If you're watching, if you like what I'm doing here, definitely want to see me doing more. Please like, subscribe, comment, all that. I guess help the algorithm. But if you like me, do you like the way I trade, and you want to keep seeing me live, please like, comment, and subscribe if you can. If not, then that's okay. You know, like I said, I'm not selling anything. I don't have anything to sell. I do have I do have indicators. They are not mine. I'm still, it's been weeks since I contacted the owner on the indicators to see if he lets me show the main one, the main indicator. He lets me show it, then I'll put it in there. I mean, I don't see a reason why I shouldn't be allowed to put it, because I can put it in there and give the name out, tell them who it is. I don't see a reason why not, but I don't, I don't want to get on the man's bad side if it bothers him. I don't know. Well, they're on fire, and he worked very hard for these indicators. This is part of his indicators, but his main indicators his main indicator is down here, and I have it hidden for a reason. It's really good. Oh, now that that's the option, I think we are on a downtrend. Again, I got this other target here. It's very rare that I actually hold my trades all the way to where I think the targets are gonna go. Why? I don't know, because I'm a chicken shit, I guess. I usually close my trades before that, long before that. But who can argue against me? Who can argue? Who can argue? You know, who can give me a kind of argument? Me, I'm doing it wrong, but I'm still making money. I'm still ahead, 2,400. That's good money. That's damn good money. So, but I do chicken out the minute I start seeing some action against it. It just I seen it go crazy though. Thank you. Yes, thank you. On a higher time frame, we're about to enter the up zone right now. So even though this went over the slow EMA, on a higher time frame, we're barely just breaking into it. That's why having a higher time frame open up, uh, it can help you take a more what I call it? Take the big picture. Like you see this right here on the higher time frame. Ah, this damn computer. On the higher time frame, this hasn't even crushed. None of that is still as solid as this. It's not even more solid. So, uh, just because I see it like that, I want to make sure I'll take a look at the on the higher time frame. Make sure this is actually either crushing or really close to ending. We're nowhere near it. We just barely, right now, just barely entered to the up zone for the second time, and it still looks strong. Still looks strong. It's a good. This is a really good spot to take a short. Why? Because then we got the R1 was a pivot point. We're still on the downtrend, and we have this area here still to knock out. Pivot point, like I said, is still here, and the open range right there. And the second deviation of the VWAP is right here. So it's a good spot to aim at, and it's a good spot to bounce. Am I going to take it? I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to take it. I know, guys. I know I play a lot with the chart, but it's just the way I am. Keeps me focused, keep me looking, seeing things. So $161 buy sales just came in. I mean buy sale, what the hell is that? 161 buys just came in. And no reaction. So just trying to push it to this level. Trying to see if any it's no I don't see any divergence. So I still don't see it's a change in direction. Good job. All the way to here. Guys, don't forget to check out my other videos. Not because I want you to, you know, to entertain yourself, but take a look at it and see if the trades that I took will be the type of trades you would take, and also see if you would have done something different, especially the one that I lost like $30,000 and I was only able to recover like 5,000 out of that 30. That's a really good one just to see somebody go tilting and not make sense. I mean, I try to watch it. I was like, what the hell am I doing? And just close it. I didn't stay watching it. I couldn't keep on going. But even yeah. I just couldn't watch it. I couldn't. I watched some of it. Now the first trade, I think the first trade that turned against me wasn't that bad. But the others were absolutely horrendous. I don't know what was I thinking. I wasn't thinking at all. So I don't want to have a repeat of yesterday, because I was focused on this so much that I decided to ignore a lot of things that I shouldn't have, uh, and go for it. I still think we're gonna hit it, but I'm gonna wait until my indicators tell me, yeah, you're right, we're gonna hit it. Because yesterday I think I was ignoring indicators. That's what happened when you're not focusing properly. It's a good reaction there, by the way. I like it. Um, we don't make it here, we probably just make it to here. But I do believe we're gonna hit because we got all this juicy levels right here to hit. It's a nice place to take a bounce. Just being careful because this is pointing down, but this is it's starting to point down now. So gotta be careful. It's a good spot to enter too, especially with this candle. That candle was a good candle, nice candle. Ah, wait, that's okay. I just do one. See if it goes down here. on contract. Let me tell you, my entries are absolutely horrendous. They are. They're horrendous. But I make money, so I don't care. I don't really want to work on fixing it or anything like that because I don't. I don't want to work on fixing it because working on fixing it means having to start doing new thing, new strategies, and I don't. This has been working out for me. I don't want to. I don't want to start something new. I truly don't. That's it. 264 buy blocks just came in. On the downtrend, that's no, it could be bad for me too, but I'm not risking much, so I don't care. They might get run over too. They might be just putting more fuel for the downside. But 264 is a lot though. Like I said, this level here is a good spot for bouncing. Everything's pointing up. But candle over here is kind of problematic. Candle right here, the candle weak right here. That's a good candle to get the hell out too. But it's only one contract. I'm not risking much, so you believe we're gonna go down. So add one more. That's a good spot to have more. Retest. Yes, probably will. Indicators, this one, and the one that I got down here are pointing down. So we do have some strength at the downside. There you go. Second VWAP again. That's keep bouncing. I just break all of them. Come on, let's go. Good. Got my forefront that one. Trying to hold it. That's why I only put one contract. I'm trying to be brave and hold it all the way down there. I'm not stupid. I got this one tracking 10 ticks behind a slow EMA. So don't need this, right? There's a lot of hesitation here, as it should be. These are really big, strong levels. Value area high when IPOC, open range high. These are very strong levels, and plus you got this zone here that I got. You know, so there's a lot of things here. That's why there's a lot of hesitation, a lot of fight, as it should be a lot of fight there. If you got your zones properly, you know, from here to here, if you have this zone properly, I don't know if you can see what I'm pointing. If you got this zone properly marked, there should be a lot of hesitation there, a lot of you know, a lot of strong push you should see there. That's why, you know, I don't trade without the market profile. Is you're trading blind. You're trading blind. You don't know why. You don't know if you didn't have any of this. I said, let me take all this out. If I take all this, you wouldn't know why it's doing all this here. It's wow, it's a lot of hesitation here. You wouldn't know why. That's why we have all those levels and all those zones that we mark off. So when this happened, you'll be able to tell, okay, yeah, that's expected. I expected that here. You know, I'm gonna leave it off, but makes it much better for people to see the action. And this is, by the way, if you look at other people, and I've been looking at a few others, they say they go live. I looked at them, and to be honest, the candles don't act like mine. Now there could be in a different, it could be a different, you know, um, it could be a different S&P. I mean, not a different S&P. It could be, oh yeah, it could be a different S&P. But I mean, it could be oil, it could be something. It's probably why it's behaving the way it's behaving. But still, it should not be. It should be choppy like this. That's how it's supposed to be. The goes about to take another long, by the way. I mean, another short, another long. Jesus, it won't really hurt me right here. Doesn't. I just put this stop right here, and that way I don't lose much. Yeah, when I take another entry, wherever the stop is, that's where I move my other stop. It mitigates some of the cost, not the cost. You know, it mitigate how much I'm gonna lose to some extent. If it goes, you're not really see. I'm not really losing much. Maybe about $300. Feel good. It kills back up. My drawing. There it is. We do have divergence here, by the way. Right here. And here. But I would have loved the divergence more over here. Ah, crap. That's what happened when you start talking crap. The thing I'm always close always close to hit the button. Never too far out. That could be problematic, by the way. That could take a big chunk of my profit. But I still think we're gonna go down. This indicator is not that good for me either, which is what I did yesterday. I ignore my indicators. Ah, it still work out though. Not looking good, that's for sure. Not looking good at all. Nope. 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 Looking pretty bad actually. Yeah, it is. Exactly what I did yesterday. See what I mean? I ignore the indicators of that. Let's take a short break here. Well, I'm back. I cracked myself up. Indicators still look crappy. That's for sure. All look crappy. We got this. What happens is I didn't see this because I was talking. I didn't see this crossover. And again, people that see that crossover, they want to buy it or sell it. Either way. But nope, 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 nope. Indicators are not pointing down yet. We still have divergence. On a higher time frame, we're still good for a downtrend, by the way. On a higher time frame, the indicators, one of them is pointing down. So mines are not. We break down here too. A good sign. It's time to crawl down. I'm gonna take it. Got stuck. Come on. Might be asking a lot to come down here, but It's just too much here. Wow. Oh, this is going to be a repeat of yesterday. Look at that. This thing's starting to cross down, but the problem is right in the middle. Right in the middle. It should never be in the, it should be over here. See this is a really good indicator. This was really good. Everything was fanning out and it's pointing down. This is right in the middle. That means it could be anywhere. Could go anywhere. The higher time frame looks like it's pointing down, but the reaction from the higher time frame to the was smaller time frame or lower time frame is monumental. It could be it's a huge difference. A huge difference. So I like what it's doing right there. Indicators are pointing up again. See, crush. All my dreams and hope for the day. But I have this, this. Same shit I went through yesterday. Gotta be. All because I didn't wait for the indicators. It's plain and simple. So it's all this is all not waiting for the damn indicators. Not waiting for the damn indicator. And also getting married to a position. I did the same shit I did yesterday. Boom. I was married to this position. This one is already this one we can call this one tap. This is close enough that we can call it tap. Um, but we touch it over here anyway. Oh yeah. Same shit I did yesterday. Do you believe we're gonna go down? Now those indicators, I wish we had this earlier. Would have been better. I'm waiting right now. I'm gonna go in. Trust me. Definitely gonna go in. Everything is pointing out, and of course, I'm hesitating. Uh, you can get indicators that look like this. If your indicators look like this, that's really good. Either go over here, either up or down. I'm gonna wait to see if this thing decides to stop fucking around. I anticipated the breakout before the breakout. Don't do that. What I did. It is what it is. All right, trying to get out the shovel. It is a Friday though. Friday's a bitch. I still think we're gonna go down. Right, because we're still below the VWAP. We're still below the VWAP. A lot of levels down here. There is a lot of level up there, but over here is the most reasonable one. So that's why I'm still in love with that trade idea going down. The profile was the profile say. Oh, hard to say. idea where we're going with it. If we're gonna go up, the next likely scenario will be this one and possibly head over to this area here, overnight high. Maybe if we break that, we might hit this one level, probably this one, but I think that's pretty much it. If we decide to go up, we still haven't seen that yet. I still think we're gonna go down. Place down. I wish I could attach this. We are in an uptrend, I guess you can argue that, but this uptrend is very, very weak. A good trend would be like this, solid. This is all wimpy. Would be not a lot of conviction. That's the word. Not a lot of conviction. A lot of conviction. We have a lower high right at this level. Everything is pointing down, looking good. But again, even though it's a weak uptrend, still it's up an uptrend. Gotta be careful with that. Right in the middle of the VWAP, which is also problematic. Final positions will probably be up. I don't know how much momentum we got here, but I'm just trying to chip away from the deficit. I can. Time to go against me now, though. Ah, man. ignore the lines you draw either. So this is still looking down, but it looks like it's about to take a bounce here, and the trend is up. So trend looks much better now. Indicators. That's what I'm looking at. I think we got into this zone here that I drew. It's long time, so might be asking too much to break through all this. We'll see. Indicators are absolutely crap right now. They are. But here's a good level to take a bounce off. That's what I'm hoping too. So hoping a lot of things. That's a problem. Not much technical analysis there. Well, regardless, I wouldn't be able to take a short here. The only option is up, and the reason is because we come and smash down with this level right in the middle of the VWAP. I mean, not the VWAP, the up zone. So you can't really take a short there. I mean, you can take whatever you want, but I mean, I can't really take a short there. This is all melting, all melting. And it looks like they're all getting stopped. Hopefully, if they are getting stopped, their stop is probably somewhere around here. Might even be up here. So this is still looking down. I'm actually betting against the market. What an idiot. Okay, what happened here? My computer froze for a second. this is still going down. So technically, if I was gonna make a decision here, it would have been to take a short, not a long, by the way, because all this melting at the same time, nothing is happening over here. I mean, all these sellers are getting absorbed by the candles, which is a huge problem for them, not for me. I'm gonna move it back a little bit because it might go down for a second, then go back up. But yeah, they're getting absorbed. That's what I think. But also the buyers are leaving. Buyers are leaving. See how it's not going anything higher? That means the buyers are leaving. So yeah, it's gonna go down. And if I was gonna take a trade, I'll probably be taking a short here instead of a long. Yep. Look at this. All melting. I'll flip it then. I'll flip it and hope for the best. Because it's all still melting. Look at that. Still melting. Break this, it'd probably be melt all the way down. There it is. Can bounce on this level too. Could be a liquidity grab there just to shut up. But I'm still seeing that we're still melting some more here. So take a few there. I don't need to give everything back. I'm already behind enough. Take one more there. I'm gonna try to leave the last one far down as I can. I want to see what it does somewhere around here. Probably put some more, one more short, sell some more. Probably take a few profit here. More downsize. Oh yeah, let's go. I got in a little bit late, but I still think it got a lot of power coming down. I wasn't paying attention. I took one there because, oh, as you know, I'm in, uh, I'm in a all digging out business today. So it was a good spot anyway, like I said, to take another short. So might add there later on, which I don't see why not. Other than the indicators, not in my favor. But when did that stop me anyway? We still have a little ladder going down, little steps going down. Good indication we're not that going down. Although this a little bit sideways there, but it's okay. The most likely scenario, I'll be honest, if we're gonna hit this shit right here, most likely we're gonna run through all this. Most likely scenario, we're gonna run through all this, make some huge hesitation here, probably around this area, or we're gonna continue down. The R2 is a very strong level, like I said. It's a good spot to take a bounce, and I think there's gonna be a bounce here, possibly somewhere around here. We're gonna have a bounce, and this level, taking deviation V2, it's also a good spot to take a bounce. So probably gonna be playing around here for a minute before we continue down. Here we go. Good spot to take another short, like I said. Add some position. Okay, here we go. Could be it. I got a 142 buy black just came in. That's a problem. That's a problem. A big problem. All fast. 142 buy black. I don't know what people were seeing when they took that, but whatever. I'll get out. Wait for more confirmation, then get back in. That little buy black really kind of did me wrong too, right there. Damn it. We'll see. Getting back in. Today's gonna be a hard day to explain, let me tell you. There you go. Come on. If this trade gets me out of the hole, she'll be able to get me out of the hole. Again, all this area here, it's a good place to take a bounce. That's why I said we're gonna be playing around here for a second, but ultimately we're gonna go down. So I hope. Trend is still down, so, and it's a very strong trend down, by the way. VWAP is holding. I'm sorry, not the VWAP. The pivot point R1 still holding. It's normal for the price to go back to the middle of the zone. Oh, very normal. That's why I'm not really freaking out that much, but it is gonna go down. Like no mistake about it. We are gonna go down. I got the call. They called me already. Yeah, get ready. It's gonna go down.